to my YouTube channel. So our first lesson is the introduction to the rational algebraic expression, and then the objectives is to identify whether it is a rational algebraic expression or not. And then the second is you will learn how to integrate the algebraic expressions.
So before we start for our lesson, let us define first what is a rational algebraic expressions. So the rational algebraic expressions is a ratio of two polynomials provided that the denominator is not equal to 0. In symbols p over q or two polynomials where q is not equal to 0. Now that we define the rational expressions, so let us proceed on how to identify whether it is a rational algebraic expression or not. Try this example, x plus 2 over 0. Are you done? Okay, time's up. So in this given example, this is not a rational algebraic expression, because as you can see, the denominator is equal to 0. Another example, x over 2 plus 7. Okay, are you done? So what is the answer? So in this given example, the answer is, alright, very good. It is a rational algebraic expression. You will know that this is a rational algebraic expression since the denominator will not equal to 0. Try this another example. Are you done? Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is, alright, this is not a rational algebraic expression. Why? Because if you are going to operate a minus a, it will be equal to 0. Now that we know how to identify whether it is a rational algebraic expression or not, so let us proceed to the another activity, which is the integration of algebraic expression. In this lesson, you will learn how to integrate a raised to negative x would equal to 1 over a raised to x. And then the zero exponent, which is a raised to 0 would equal to 1. So for example, b raised to negative 2 has an integrated value of 1 over b raised to 2, which satisfy our first law of exponent, which is the law of negative exponent. Second example, m squared over 16 raised to 5. All over raised to 0 is equal to 1. Remember that anything that raised to 0 would equal to 1. Number 3 example, 4n raised to 0 is equals to 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Why? Because variable of n raised to 0 is separated to 4. Another example, a squared b raised to negative 3 c raised to 4 is equals to a squared c raised to 4 over b cubed, in which it is satisfied to our law of negative exponent, which is a raised to negative x is equals to 1 over a raised to x. So in this given example, b, it has a negative exponent, so if simply replace that into the denominator.